Keep coolio, baby. It's just a car. Whoa! Too close!
Message from me, get off your fat ass.
See, this exercise stuff's about as relaxing for you as it is for my wife.
No, I don't want to sleep with you, and no, I don't care that I'm 39 and single. It doesn't worry me a bit.
Easy.
I'm not stressed out at all. Now go fuck yourself.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just fuck you. All of you. I'm on a run.
Well, you seem a little upset.
I could still run you into the fucking ground.
Okay. Hey, I played high school football, all right, sweetheart? All state, QB.
Whatever. Just don't have a coronary. Let's go!
Whoa!
Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach! I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
This must be so emasculating for you.
You and my wife should hang out.
Run on the road! Take that traffic head on! Drop dead!
Oh, you about to get dealt with right now.
You broke my cadence, you fucking moron!
Yeah, what's cracking?
Watch it! Whatever. I can hear you wheezing! That's it! You're going down! Like your wife doesn't! Okay, here we go! Last push! Come on! Flick the switch, Marianne! Let's go lactic!
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you!
My shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through some of that shit.
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy!
Not too shabby, huh?
You can have that one on me! I never got out of second gear. I already did a 10K today.
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try!
need
What
to
the hell
borrow
was
your
that?
car, lady. Whoa! Too close!
Oh, come on, last night was off the hook.
Forgive me!
Oh my God! No, wait. You
That
moron!
car's a piece.
Something ain't right. That ain't good. Good Lord. Jesus, you're gonna kill me!
Ah, crap!
Copy that. On the way.
Get fucked.
Come on, bro! Time to move!
God, that shit ain't real.
I see some bad drivers, but you! Woo-ho-ho.
What do you want?
Man, I come by for that drink you offered, that's all.
I wasn't really serious about that.
What?
You're here, whatever. Sit. You're not gonna rob me again.
Man, I never robbed you. That was just a repossession.
Okay. You call it whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. What can I do for you?
Shit, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with. I see you doing well for yourself.
Look, I'm retired.
Ain't you a bit young for the pipe, slippers, and staring at a fucking sunset?
You know, I've been in this game for a lot of years, and I got out alive. That makes me the right age. You look like a good kid. But if you want my advice, give this shit up. You work hard, screw over everybody that you love. Hurt, rob, kill indiscriminately, and maybe, just maybe if you're lucky, you become a 3-bit gangster. It's bullshit. Go to college. Then you're gonna rip people off and get paid for it. It's called capitalism.
So what I saw the other day was like when a corpse briefly reanimates itself and terrorizes everyone, right?
What you saw the other day was a guy dealing with pests.
I guess I never saw myself as just a fucking pest.
Well, and today's lesson's all about humility. Tomorrow we'll try a training montage.
A training what?
Nothing. I was just lost in an 80s movie fantasy.
Yeah, I can see you spend a lot of time there.
Yeah, as much as I can.
So that's why you here in Vinewood then, right?
Maybe I'm here because I'm just an idiot who thinks that imported palm trees are a good substitute for not really knowing what the fuck you're doing on this earth.
Jesus, man. You a good time, you know that?
I tell you what. Least I can do is buy you that beer. There's a little bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
All right, man. I'm following you.
We're taking my wife's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad! Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway! It's been stolen!
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat! Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
I'll do what I can to help with that, man.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Real. Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right?
That you are, my friend. Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fuck fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old one. Ah! Too close! Ah, jeez! Ah, shit! Oh, fuck! Ah, crap! Come on, come on, come on, come on! What the fuck? Get him off my ship! Oh, they didn't! They fucking shot the engine! Fuck! If you hurt my boy, or my boat, you know who you're stealing from? Be cool, Frank. Be cool. Shit!
Hey! Shoot this motherfucker in the face already!
Fucking animal!
Hey, this dude trying to kill me, man!
You on the wrong move,
Shit!
boy.
Okay, now go find Jimmy.
Dad? Wait! You're the guy from the dealership!
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! Help! Help!
Ah, this is gonna kill me.
Dad! Jesus, help!
Ah, let go of that! Get under him, man! Let him drop in the car!
Oh, my phone! I can't hold on!
If you fall to your death, I'm gonna
Get under me
fucking kill
like
you!
right now!
I paid 5
this
years
is
in
it.
jail
This
less
is
for
it.
this! All right, now look for my son.
It's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Help! Help!
Yay!
Oh, shit, I don't want to die!
What are you even doing here?
Fuck! Restart!
Hold on, you little shit! If your mother can see you now, she... The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Whoa, crap! Ah, too close!
I ain't jumping for here, man. Get close. Hey, get me off this damn thing. Remind me not to come to you for parenting advice.
All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
I'm so not comfortable being a part of this! Now that doesn't sound good!
Damn, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Don't you die on me yet. Ah! My fucking boat!
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drivers there, we can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's...
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Hey, man, we're gonna need some body work done.
Enough, all right? Enough! Hey, Franklin, can you call me a cab?
Sure thing, man. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have many other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after him.
So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
All right.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie. Mama wants a spoiler.
Still need to get you out for one of the races, Franklin. See if you drive as fast as you talk. There you go.
Recondition.
All fixed.
Sweet. This wagon gonna be sick, homie. Did someone say body kit, yo? Power equals pussy.
It'll
Or
feel like a different
maybe like
engine, believe
penis,
me.
in my mom's case. Toy boy's gonna flock to my mama in this ride.
LS custom style.
Ooh, mama ain't gonna recognize this bitch.
Nothing like a good old obnoxious horn.
Oh shit, that's where it's at. I almost ain't gonna be embarrassed to borrow this thing. Mom was never that hot on the red, homie. My mama's car had almost as much work as my mom. This wagon gonna be sick, homie. Mama loves scraping over speed bumps. Put some roids in its bloodstream. Juice it. Do it, F. This car is slower than a boat. Get the bitch something sexy to sit on, Holmes. Come on. Let's get some sick-ass rims. Give the ladies some shoes, B. Get the bitch something sexy to sit on, Holmes. Come on. Let's get some sick-ass rims. Tint these bad boys. Toy boys gonna flock to my mama in this ride. Oh yeah, paint job. What up? When Mom sees a new paint job, she's gonna flip. Mom was never that hot on the red, homie. Oh yeah, paint job. What up? When Mom sees a new paint job, she's gonna flip.
All right, man, I'm taking you home.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Franklin, or the credit fraud guy, the home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, sure,
Jimmy, ain't he? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership, and someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, out the car! And if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired, like fully. Like his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we good together, you know? Like, maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter? Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just, like, shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But, hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog, all right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
My brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.